Hey, I'm going to show you how to do a hidden text reveal on Google Slides. So what I mean by hidden text reveal is if a student drags an image, a clip art image that has a transparent piece over it, then it will reveal some hidden text like this. So you can see it can be used for checking their work, just like that, or as an engagement piece in your digital work. Maybe they're going to reveal something else, a word, mystery type of thing. You can use it however you want. So, and I also like to use it for checking their work on like centers. So this one is a math center from Lucky Little Learners. We have Apple number sequencing, Apple numbers. So in the center, the students drag the correct answer to the strip like this, and then they go on to their recording sheet and they type their answers in here. And then one of the things I feel like is tricky with online learning is students can get through an entire assignment and do the entire assignment wrong because you're not right there looking at their work, you're not right there looking at what are they missing? You're not getting any formative assessment going on. It's really hard to do that, especially if you're doing asynchronous learning. So this could help them check their work without just providing them the answer key straight out, right? So you could share this piece with them through another assignment. It wouldn't have to be in the same one. You could just share it with another link and say, when you're done with your center, open this link and just have that Google slide on it that they can check their work. And you can see I added a little text box right here with directions so they know what to do, that after they finish this, then they can drag the magnifying glass over and then they can check their answer and see if they were right on that answer. And I put a few different ones on here because if you're dragging this all the way to like the middle, then sometimes, they could see other answers, or it's just tricky to drag off when it's in the middle. So it's helpful if there's like a handle, because otherwise they could accidentally grab one of the text boxes and move it, because not all of it is locked to the background so that they can see it and type in it. So I'm going to show you how to create this. Okay. So with the hidden text reveal, I'm going to go back to this one because it's a little easier to see. Basically, there are just three pieces that you need to think of. So we have to have a shape that's just a color. It doesn't matter what color. And then you also have a text box, and the text box has the text in the text box is the same color as the shape. And then the text box is on top of the shape. So what you can do to make sure it's on top of the shape is go up here to arrange and then order, and you want to make sure you do bring to front on the text box. And then your third piece that you have is a clip art image, some type of movable piece that has a transparent piece of it. So there's lots of clip art images on Teachers Pay Teachers with transparent centers. I just searched clip art transparent center, and there's like a bunch from Edgeclips, like this one, doors, camera, there's lots of different options. But you can just make a shape too on PowerPoint. So that's what I did, is I just made a shape on PowerPoint. It just has three pieces, like a square, a rectangle shape, an open circle, and then the transparent circle in the middle. And then I just grouped those three together. And if you don't know how to group a shape, you just drag over all three of them, and then you right click, and then you do group, and then you group them together. Or you can ungroup if you messed up or whatever. And then you can just copy that image and paste it over on your Google Slides, and then you have like a little clip art image of a magnifying glass. So your magnifying glass, basically what it does is it slides between the shape and the text, and so it just shows up, with the text showing through that transparent center, if that makes sense. So on this one too, I just took what I did to create it. I just took this answer sheet, this recording sheet, and then I just duplicated it. So you just right click, duplicate, and then in the text boxes, I changed the color of the font to be the color of whatever shape I'm going to put over on top. So purple in this case. And so you can see now the text box has the answer in purple. And then I just drew a shape here, a big rectangle across. And then I just made sure that my text boxes were in the front. So I just went up here to arrange, order, bring to front, so that when I bring this magnifying glass over, it's going to slide underneath kind of, or at least it's going to show that number so that you can see it. If the text box is beneath the shape, then you can't see it and it doesn't work. So that's one way to do a hidden text reveal. Now I'll show you one more way. So this way is probably the most fun. They're both fun for the kids, but it's a little more time intensive to create. The second way is super easy to create. So what you would do if you want to make, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. If you want to do like an answer key for them to check, then you can just duplicate the slide again. And instead of doing all of those, transparent boxes or transparent images, clip art, all that stuff the first way, the second way is this. So basically you change all the text color in these text boxes to white. So all of the text, I'm just going to drag over all of those, and if I change it back to black, you can see there's words in there, but you're just going to change it all to white. And you would obviously have answers in here. This would be your answer key. And then what they would do is right here, they're just going to click on the box like this, and then they click on the paint bucket, and then they're going to choose a color like that, and then they can see the answer right there. So that's a second way for them to check their work, and you could do that on anything. It doesn't have to be like an answer key too. It could just be a check your work on something like this, on one problem. For example, this one, you could change the text color to match the background. I don't remember which gray I used here. Like that. And then just have them do the same thing and fill it. And then it would show up like that as well. So those are two ways you can do hidden text reveal on Google Slides. Hope that helps and get you your students some immediate feedback so they can check their work without having to wait for you to meet with them online or anyway, things like that.